Hey, Matt with 911R on Bring Trailer, Avant-Garde. Here's another gem we have here at 88 G50 911 Targa. It's in Nougat Brown, which is super rare. Coming around the front, you see all the paint is nice and shiny and looks really good. It's been well taken care of. It has had some paint work on it. You can see in our paint meter readings and in the copy we talk about it. But the panel fit, how everything looks, all the hood fitment, all is really great on the car. This car has a really cool darker brown interior. It's different than most browns on Porsche. This is definitely a special order color combination, and it looks really nice and sharp. It's all really good. The seats, the carpets, everything's all original and well cared for. It's only at 52,000 miles, so that makes it, very low miles for this age of car. The black Targa bar trim looks really good. The Targa top material is the correct pebble grain material, and all looks good. All the seals and everything fit real nice on it. Looking in the engine bay, you can see original Cosmoline. It's got fresh belts on it. We've done a compression test and inspected the car, so you can see all that stuff in our other photos. But nice and tidy, proper engine bay compartment. Again, all the panel fit here is nice and as spec. It's got Michelin tires on it. Great Fuchs looking wheels, Fuchs wheels. The anodizing is all nice and proper on it. All the stickers. I love the brown matched steering wheel in this car too. And brown dash. This was definitely a high spec car that somebody built for themselves. So, any questions on the car, use the contact seller button. If you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, give us a call as well. Happy to help out. And also, if you need transportation, we're happy to help with that as well. Thank you.